I got this new flat iron and I'm so excited to open it up. This one is by Landot and take a look at how beautiful the packaging is. I love the colors and the gold detailing on this box, so I'm probably going to repurpose it into a storage box for some of my beauty and self-care products. Anyhow, let's open this up. Looks like the flat iron is actually encased in this gorgeous velvet bag. They also gave me two clips so I can section my hair. And check this out. You even get a glove so you don't have to worry about burning yourself. I recall many years ago, I got a glove with a different flat iron, and the glove that came with it was so itchy and rough on the skin that I couldn't even wear it. But this one is super, super soft and comfortable. And here's a user manual with instructions on how to use it, but I don't think I'll need this because I'm pretty familiar with how to use a flat iron. Anyhow, let's take a look at the actual flat iron. So this one I got is a 1 3/4 inch flat iron. And the reason I got this one was because I wanted to achieve less tight curls and more of just a wave or soft bend in my hair. The flat iron I have been using is 1 inches and it gives me tighter curls, which is great. But for everyday use, I wanted more of a relaxed wave instead. So I got this one, which is a little wider. And so far, this flat iron feels very comfortable to grip in my hands. And I just slid the button to unlock the flat iron to open it up. On the inside handle, there are three buttons. The bottom is the power button, and the next two buttons allow you to increase or decrease the temperature setting. You can go from 250 Fahrenheit all the way up to 450 Fahrenheit. On the front is an LED display so you can tell what temperature your flat iron is set to when it's powered on. So I've got this plugged in and I just want to see how quickly it heats up to 350 Fahrenheit. So I really like how the display actually shows you as the temperature heats up so you know how much farther you have to reach your desired temperature setting. This is actually my first flat iron where I get to see that. So that really did not take long at all, less than 30 seconds. And of course, if I want to dial down the heat setting, I can adjust it easily. And then to power off, I just do a long press on the power button for a couple of seconds and it shuts off. Or if I forget to power it off, this flat iron will also shut off after an hour, which I think is a really good peace of mind.